Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we talked again about syllables, but this time the syllables are R-controlled vowel syllables. We discussed that the vowel always has an R after it when you have an R-controlled syllable, and that R changes the sound that the vowel makes, but the R stays with the vowel when you break your syllables apart. So your lesson or your activity that you're going to do independently today is very similar to the one that you did on Wednesday, where you draw a card from over here in the card pile. So I'm going to move this. My first word is carton. Notice I have that R sound because I have the A that's controlled by the R. So I have the word carton. I'm going to read that word, and then I'm going to build that word with the letters. So here we go. C A R T O N. So now that I have made the word, I'm going to decide where I want to divide that word. So I'm going to clap out my syllables. Carton. Remember, the A or the vowel in your word and the R stay together when you break your syllable. So I would break my syllable between the word car or the word part car and the other part ton. I would come up here and write the parts that I divided. So C-A-R-T-O-N, and then I put both syllables together and make carton. You're going to do the same thing with other words, so you will need to put these letters back up at the top somewhere so that you can create your next word in the word card pile. So my next word, here just a second, if I move carton down, is person. So I would build person, I would clap out the syllables to figure out where to break it apart. I would show how I broke the word apart, and then I would put the word parts back together or the syllables back together and type the word.